All right, it is restaurant review time. And so what we thought we'd do is go out for some Mexican food. We are here at La Frontera. So you know the protocol. I'm gonna go in, ask them what they recommend, order what they recommend, and we will base the review off what they recommend.
Ready?
I think we are.
Okay.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite is this one, fajita quesadilla,
Okay.
or carne asada steak burritos, madre and chile verde and cheese. Is my two favorites.
Let's do the carne asada burrito.
Burrito?
Yes, please. Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. All right, so I just ordered something for the very first time that I've never had here before. I went off a recommendation, which is the carne asada burrito smothered with the chili verde sauce. And of course we did the rice and beans on the side. So I'm actually excited to try this because normally I just get the smothered burrito, which is just a bean burrito. But I really like the chili verde. So I think it's a good choice to try the carne asada burrito smothered. So let's see how this tastes and goes down.
Yeah.
Oh wow, great, thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
I think you tortillas and you order.
Okay, awesome. Hey, thanks so much. Thank you. Alright, so I got the carne asada smothered burrito, which I'm really excited to try because who doesn't like carne asada? And I definitely like the smothered chili verde with the pork on top. So we're gonna dive into this. A piece of pork right here, and get some steak, carne asada in here. And that is like steaming. That's really good. I really like the flavor between the chili verde and the steak and the pork combined. That has a really nice touch. I've never had this dish here, but I'm definitely gonna have it again next time I come. All right, so we just got done eating at La Frontera. I tried something for the very first time, went with the recommendation of what the waitress suggested, and I have to say, I really enjoyed it. I typically go with just the smothered burrito, but I went with the carne asada smothered burrito this time, and it was really delicious. So if you are looking for some chili verde smothered burrito style type Mexican food, you definitely want to come over here to La Frontera, check it out, and enjoy some good food. All right, guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And thanks so much for watching.